Okay, so very last daily notes lesson for the year. Okay, so 12.4, so you don't have to remember the rest of the packet after 12.4. We're talking about volume now. So I put the formulas across the top that we're going to be using. So we've got volume of a cube, so you just do length times width times height, or the side cubed. Volume of a prism, you do, so capital B stands for the area of the base. You're going to find the area of the base, which we've done before, and then multiply by how tall it is. Okay? And the volume of a cylinder, same thing, find the area of the base, which is a circle, and then multiply by the height. Okay? So volume's like how much space is taking up inside the shape. Okay? Alright, so for example 1, they give you a cylinder with a radius of 2 inches and a height of 5 inches. So the volume for a cylinder is the area of the base times the height. So the area of our base, our circle, would be pi times our radius squared. So 2 inches squared would give you 4 pi inches squared. Then you just multiply by how tall it is. So it's 5 inches. So you do 4 pi inches squared times 5 inches. 4 times 5 gives you 20. Bring down the pi. Inches squared times inches gives you inches cubed. So volume's in cubes. Alright, so you'll have a little 3 above your units. Alright, so for the volume of a prism, so this isn't a cube because all the numbers are different. So for a prism, you're finding the area of the base and then multiplying how tall it is. So the base would be this rectangle that's 7 by 5. You're going to do 5 times 7 and get 35 centimeters squared. Then multiply it by 3 because that's how tall it is. So 35 times 3 is 105, and then it'd be centimeters cubed. Okay, so there's example 1. Alright, so number 1 on the next page gives you a cube because it's 6 inches all around. So you do length times width times height, or you could just do 6 cubed. Alright, so 6 times 6 is 36, times another 6 is 216 centimeters cubed. Alright, and then number 2 is a cylinder. So they give you a radius of 3 feet, a height of 3 feet. Okay, so you're going to find the area of the base first. So you do pi times the radius squared. 3 squared is 9, so it's 9 pi feet squared. Then you're going to multiply by how tall the cylinder is, so it's 3 feet tall. So do 9 pi feet squared times 3 feet. 9 times 3 is 27. Bring down the pi. Feet squared times feet is feet cubed. Okay, so not too hard.